Hello all and welcome back to my channel. I am Paige and this week we are painting on a canvas that we have painted on before. You guys remember this piece that turned out really pretty and then I put an iridescent top coat on it and ruined it? Well, we are going to be painting on this circle canvas and we're also going to be taking advantage of our gorgeous Michigan summer. Everything is green. It might be super freaking humid outside, but we're going to walk around, grab some leaves, and we're going to use them as part of this painting. And if you're interested to see how it turns out, please continue watching. I went ahead and painted over our sad scraper piece with our base coat, this dark green color. And I walked around and got a bunch of different leaves. Some of them are now covered in cat saliva because my little cat thinks it's cool to eat the leaves. So I have some from different bushes outside. This actually came from a bouquet, and we're gonna add acrylic paint and water to just paper plates and kind of gently brush it on top of our leaves and see if we can make some impressions. And the idea is to kind of keep it as this circle so it sort of looks like you're looking up through a bunch of leaves. I'm gonna start off with this deep hunter green. And I'm gonna kind of like watercolor it. Attempt to get just a little bit of paint here mixed with the water. And then I'm gonna take one of my bigger leaves down. Now that leads me to think that that was way too much water. Gently wipe off the canvas and let's try again. Let's maybe do get our brush covered in water and paint. Now let's try. That's a little bit better. I'm gonna let it dry and see how that turns out. But I guess I'm just gonna keep experimenting with this. I think it's safe to assume that more paint, less water, and I'm just gonna keep gently brushing it on my leaves and doing my first layer all the way around. Once my lightest green layer is dry, I'm gonna move on to my blues. I've got this green, teal, and an aqua that are really just gonna go around the outside border and are gonna be our lightest colors. For my last layer, I at least made sure that I had like the entire border of this circle covered with some kind of paint. And now I'm just gonna let it dry. I'm probably gonna give it a nice juicy gloss coat to finish it off, and we'll see how it looks. Painting is dry, and I did put a gloss coat on that just brings out all the different shades of green in this piece. So here it is. We've got the greens and the blues, and it really doesn't matter which way you hang it. I think it looks cool no matter where it is. And I did learn as I went through the different layers that it benefited having more acrylic paint and just the smallest amount of water to get it to flow really nicely, but to allow a lot of that detail in the leaves. So I think I could have tinkered around with this a little bit more, but I love the way that this turned out. So here are some up close shots of this piece out in the natural light. Thank you guys so much for watching my craft this week. I hope you all enjoyed it, and if you did, feel free to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I tend to post videos on Fridays. And in the description box down below, I always include the materials from this week's video and all the links to my social media. I'll see you guys all for the next one.